Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm gonna make an easy fruit cake. This cake is traditionally served during the Christmas season and it's loaded with dried fruits and nuts. Hope you like this recipe and give this a try. Let's get started. Let's check out the ingredients for this recipe. First and foremost thing is to soak the dry fruits and nuts. I've taken 1 cup of mixed nuts, that is pistachios, cashews, walnuts and almonds. I've chopped them finely. 1 cup of black raisins. Half a cup of yellow raisins. 1 cup of dry fruits, also called tutti frutti. 2 cups of fresh grape juice. Traditionally, they soak the nuts and dry fruits in some rum or wine. Mix well and let it soak for 2 days. One more method is, if you want it instantly, just boil the nuts and dry fruits along with the grape juice for 5 to 10 minutes. Allow it to cool completely and add it to the cake batter. It's been soaking for 2 days. Let's make spice powder. This will give a nice aroma to the fruit cake. For that I have taken 1 inch of cinnamon stick, 5 cloves and 3 cardamoms along with 2 tablespoons of sugar and grind into a fine powder. Let's caramelize the sugar to get that nice brown color. For that, in a saucepan I am adding half a cup of sugar, quarter cup of water. Bring it to a boil. Once the sugar gets caramelized, add half a cup of hot water. Please add hot water to prevent crystallization. Let it boil for 2 minutes. Switch off the flame and keep it aside. Let's make the batter. In a large mixing bowl, add 4 large eggs. For this recipe, we need 2 cups of sugar. From this 2 cups, I have taken half a cup of sugar to caramelize. So 1.5 cups now. 1 cup of melted butter. Combine everything well. Two cups of plain flour. To that I am adding half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt. Mix all of this well. Now let's add the sugar syrup. Make sure the syrup is cool completely before adding into the batter. Give it a good mix. Now let's add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients in 2 batches. Mix everything well. Now let's add the whole spice powder to the batter. Getting a nice aroma from this spice. Add the soaked dry fruits and nuts along with the juice. Incorporate everything into the batter. This is the right consistency. It's perfect. Now I'm going to show two methods of baking. One in the oven with 26 cm pan and the other one going to steam it on the stove with 12 cm pan. Now let's grease the sides and the bottom with some butter. And place a parchment paper inside. Let's grease the other pan also. Let's fill 3/4 of the pan and I'm going to steam this on the stove. Preheat the oven at 180 degrees Celsius. Let's transfer the batter to the pan. Bake for 75 to 80 minutes or insert a toothpick or a knife. If it comes out clean, that's the sign the cake is perfectly done. Tap the pan to release the air bubbles. I'll show you another method without an oven. Place a vessel on the stove and add little water. Keep a stand on that. Place a plate. Once the water starts boiling, place the cake pan. Cover the vessel. It's been 25 minutes now. Let's check out the cake. It's perfectly done. Insert a toothpick. If it comes out clean, that's how you know the cake is done. Place it on a wire rack, let it cool down completely. Both the cakes are ready. I have kept it on the wire rack to cool. Do try this recipe during this festival season and share it with your family and friends. Also, share your feedback about this recipe in the comment section. If you like this video, consider subscribing, share, and press the bell icon to stay connected. Thank you all so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy baking. Click on the left to check out my previous video. On the right, my other recipes.